Make a great choice today with the 2021 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.